Hi, I'm Sasha Reines, Owner Relations Manager and Certified Technician for Keystone, Crossroads, and Dutchman RV. Every day we receive calls from our customers looking to purchase replacement parts. We do not sell parts directly to retail customers or non-authorized dealers or service centers. Our dealers and service centers have access to online parts catalogs with over 110,000 photos to help them identify the right part for your situation. This personalized service allows you to better communicate your needs, and because the dealer has access to the parts catalog, this helps to ensure order accuracy. So, when you are in need of a part, we recommend contacting your selling dealer for assistance. Otherwise, you can find your nearest dealer or service center on www.keystonerv.com. If your dealer is not local, many times a part can be identified with a photo, and most can be drop shipped right to your door. While many parts needed for repairs are kept in stock at your local dealership or in one of our parts warehouses, certain special order parts can carry longer lead times because they need to be manufactured. Once the part is ordered, your dealer has access to the estimated lead times for parts shipment and the tracking information once it does ship. We hope this video helps you to have a better experience should you need to order replacement parts for your RV. Thanks for watching.